Hi everybody, welcome back. In this lesson we're going to go through installing WordPress onto your hosting account. So WordPress is just like a free website builder. It lets you, essentially like the core of it is that you get to build a blog or an article site, but with all the plugins and extensions and everything that we're going to use, we're going to be able to take it a whole lot further. So let's get started. What we're going to do, we're in cPanel still now, so I've left that open from the last lesson. That's connected to the domain and everything. And what we're going to do is come up to the search bar here and type WordPress, or you can look through and find it if you want, but we're just going to type in WordPress. And we're going to choose build a new WordPress site. So you can pick either of these two, they're the same thing. So just click on that and wait for this to load up. So we're going to choose the domain. So we've only got the one, so we'll just select that. Ignore all this stuff, we don't need any of that. We're going to click next, and we're going to fill out a little bit of information here. So for now the title will just be Life, Success and Enlightenment. We can change all of this later. The admin user, because I'm setting this up for Mark, I'll just put Mark Ling, Mark, and I'll just make up a fake last name because we don't want anything coming through. Again, we can change all this later, so it doesn't really matter. And for an email address, this will just be kind of like a second username. So you can use the email address to log in, or you can use the username that you created here. So I'm just going to enter my email address for now. So I'll put that in, and automatically create a new database. Yes, that's what we want. So you can leave that, and also agree to the terms of service and click install. So we'll just give that a moment, and there we go. We've got the installation details have come through. So this is the domain it's been installed to, the username and the password. So make sure that you save them somewhere safe. And now when we view this site, so in the last lesson we had a look and it was like a temporary landing page. Now when we have a look at it, it's got a different sort of coming soon site. So this is actually being generated by WordPress now. It's not just being held by HostGator. It's an actual WordPress page. So we're going to log in. I'll just open that in the new tab. And so the username I've put Mark Ling, and the password I'm going to copy down, and I'll enter them here and click login. And I'll save that so I don't have to keep using that too. And that's it. We've got WordPress set up. So what we're looking at right now is the back end of WordPress. Okay, so visitors will see this right now. And because we're logged in and looking through the admin area, this is what we're going to see. So that's really it for this part. It's a nice, quick and easy setup. In the next video, we're going to go through and turn off a bunch of the junk that gets installed by default. So you can see this advertising up here, and there's just all this sort of stuff that we're really not going to need, that will end up bogging us down anyway and potentially even slowing the site down a little bit. So yeah, in the next video we'll actually go through, turn off a bunch of things and delete bits and pieces that we don't need, and start installing things that we are going to need in the upcoming lessons. So I'll see you in the next video.